you, and today I'm going to show you how to turn plastic water bottles into household products. Materials you need are 1 plastic water bottle and vinegar and some scissors. So the first step is you're going to grab your scissors and your plastic bottle and you're going to cut it here. Like that. So now you have the lid and your base. So what you're going to do is you're going to take off the cap and you're going to invert it, and then you're going to push it in here. So, and make sure it's sealed. Like this. So now you're going to grab your vinegar and you're going to pour just about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Like that. So this is the end product. The use of this is a fly trap. It's to attract flies that want to eat your fruits, food outside, or anything else. Yeah, it's easy for them to get in, but it's hard for them to get out. Thank you.